Hi and welcome to my rusty garage. Today we are doing the ignition antenna on the Hyundai i30 FD. So the vehicle has had some problems starting. So sometimes it cranks and cranks and cranks and then it starts. And I thought it was going to be like a crankshaft position sensor. But when I did the reading, it showed me a immobilizer DTC. So that that DTC comes when the signal from the key is not being picked by the antenna. So it might be it can be one of these two things. The first one, it would be the transmitter inside the key. So it needs to be relearned or learned, but when you check on the scan tool, it says that it's already learned. The other option is, of course, the antenna. So I'm going to replace that. It's quite a simple job. So let's fix it. In order to do that, we are going to remove this string first. It is held by 3 screws, one here and 2 in each side of the behind the steering wheel. Go. And same thing with the other screw. Right there. Now we need to separate the trims. So there are a couple of retainers all around. This end is easier. Now to remove this, you need to move this out of the way. So now we have access to the assembly right here. Now we'll need to remove this switch out of the way. So we have access to that bolt there. And this is just held by this retainer right here. So you can see it's just this retaining thing. So you just need to push in and then out. You can just put it aside here. Okay, and the antenna is off right now. And this connector here. To remove this, you just need to push them from the inside. Right. And then out. Alright, so really carefully we are going to remove this tape. I'm gonna go through this end as I am going to remove this part. now we have two cables here, two pins, which are this pin and this pin. So in order to remove this, you need to remove the secure and then put the plastic retainer up and remove from the rear. It is really hard. Okay, so that was not fun at all. I think the best option is actually use cut it and solder it. Okay, so now we just need to fix this here, so just be careful with the lead over there. That's it, and then use the same spot down before. Like get secure over there. You can connect it now and test it. It means that it was alright. Okay, so now we are going to do the taping. I'm just gonna use this wiring tape, and we should go till here. So and that is okay, that looks good. Alright, so now we connect it, check it, and we test it. That's alright. So now we are going to put everything back.
Caller starts recording.
Let's put back together. So let's start with this small bolt and screw. Just found this. And this just goes like this. Now we are going to put the trims together. Gonna start with the top one. It's right there. There, and then we go with the bottom one. Alright, and then we put the screws back. And do one screw there. Need to go to accessory mode.
Starts recording.
And let's add the second one. I'm going to start the car. And that's it. It's gonna start right away. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.